Hey, Chase. So me and Chase went to fucking Canadian Tire there.
Yep.
We were gonna get a, what was it, $50 fucking
I'll show
electric
you what
impact.
we're gonna get.
Yeah, I'll show you. To get the fuck dirty old flyer out. Which way is it?
Not that one. Oh, right there.
That's it.
Flip the hooker around.
Yeah. So we were gonna go get this electric
$48
impact gun. You know what? It would have been pretty good. So Chase ended up buying $100 impact
set.
A whole fresh set. So of course that's an air gun.
30 hose.
Had to get a whole hose.
30 thing.
Whole thing went for a $48 fucking impact.
Thousands of dollars later.
Chase is cheesed. He's pissed. I talked him into it. I was peer pressuring. Fucking talked him into it. He's pissed. Yup.
Better than this though.
Yep. Don't work.
Yep.
Fresh. Absolutely freshy.
Kijiji mint. Got Kijiji yesterday too.
Yeah, got Kijiji yesterday hard. Drove 2 hours to sell a motor. Don't sell the motor.
No.
No.
Anyone wants to buy a B18, B1, $500.
Let this guy know.
Yep.
This guy. You know what? $35 and a blowjob.
Way she goes.
No, it's not no. Fuck that. Jesus.
So this is gonna be our 2-minute video that we're putting up tonight.
No, I don't think so.
No?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
Chilling.
Yep. Okay, so we're gonna do a fake unboxing.
Fake unboxing?
Just unbox. Yeah. Taking the box off that.
Oh.
That's already open.
Yeah. Oh, fresh.
You got the nice thing in here.
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess they just came like put on already. That thing's working pretty good. Hook it up.
Put it to your mouth.
That thing works pretty good.
What are you doing with the fuck?
Got the chisel gunner out.
That's not the is it the chisel gunner?
Yeah. And you're just kind of like. I guess she's running low on oxygen.
On diesel?
Power.
Low on diesel. Broken. Already broken.
Oh.
Oh.
You ready?
Broken.
Better with more oxygen, but
More diesel?
yeah. So I got that one. Get this one out if I can. Might break a bit.
Race car.
They're all pretty good, but they should be pretty good because it's just spent like thousands of dollars on them. So this thing just flopping out of everywhere. Well, that one pretty good. See if I can get this one out. Probably not. This one works pretty good. We've oiled these already.
Nice.
Broken.
Yeah, comes with everything. It's fucking perfect.
Comes with impact things like the black ones.
Fancy. The black ones are nice.
Got the chisel bits, things for like the Dremel.
We got some glow in the dark paint over there, like fresh old shit.
Oh, show pointed at the light. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Glow in the dark.
So I'm thinking we should actually paint the fucking all the impacts fucking glow in the dark,
So you can see them.
so this cunt don't fucking lose them.
Yep.
He's losing. Oh.
So that's it.
Return it.
No.
Lost her all.
So that's the review on that. This thing's like.
Didn't have no box, so we ain't unboxing shit.
We got a $30 like
$30 takeoff because there's no box. But we didn't get installation for it, so that's kind of sucks. So I just flip that. She's good. Hose. It's kind of like drilled into the plastic thing there. Works mint. So that's our 5-minute and 20-second video.